Hey guys, it's your Prasad from CyberGeek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell everything about WhatsApp dark mode, like how to enable that, when it is going to release, is it going to release in Android or iOS. Before starting the video, I want you to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon so you can see the video when I upload. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. WhatsApp dark mode has been a feature that has been talked about for some time now so much. So that's it, not a secret anymore. Rather, it became a foregone conclusion that the world's biggest instant messaging platform will soon get a standalone dark mode. That's not only saves battery but also makes it look good. Over the last few months, we have seen a number of screenshots of the feature, but the feature has still remained unreleased for the general audience. While there have been confirmations, however, despite the confirmations, there has been no word on when exactly the dark mode will make its way to the smartphones. But even as we await the official release of the feature, we have received a good amount of information about the feature and how it looks once released in the public. Here's what the latest leaks say about the upcoming feature on WhatsApp. First one is theme settings. A recent beta update of WhatsApp for Android brought within it a new section called theme settings. Under this, WhatsApp will have the dark mode and the light theme. There is also a system default mode, which would basically be the same theme you have being used for the rest of your phone. It is also interesting to note that this feature could be called night theme. The dark mode has been spotted multiple times in WhatsApp beta update release, has now been made compatible with calls and status section. It has been enabled for the chats list too. The action button will also reportedly soon getting darker mode. A few weeks ago, we also got a taste of what the features will look like on iPhones. This happened when WA Beta Inform's WhatsApp Beta Information posted a photo of an iPhone running WhatsApp in dark mode. As seen in the image, WhatsApp app is seen in dark black color, fitting in with iOS 13's dark mode, while the image of an app being leaked. WA Beta Information has claimed that the feature still needs a lot of work. In earlier report, it has been pointed out some labels of and cell background needed more optimization for dark theme. And the second one is VoIP. VoIP means voice over internet protocol. VoIP screen and avatar placeholders get dark mode elements. A recent beta update also hinted that the feature is closer to rollout than expected, within latest leaks appearing to show new avatar placeholders for the dark mode. There is also a new VoIP screen, means voice over internet protocol screen with dark elements, that's seen with the update. WA Beta Info, which is WhatsApp Beta Info report, suggested that this screen surface once a user receives a WhatsApp call. While the updates are interesting, the new changes are part of WhatsApp beta version for Android and aren't visible to the public. The report further stated the dark mode focused changes exist in the WhatsApp beta version 2.19.354 for Android. There are also avatar images for broadcasts, individual profile and group with a grey background. All features are visible to users once the dark mode is enabled. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing my channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload a video. This is Shiva Prasad signing off.